Hey there everyone, so as you can see on the thumbnails, I'm about to explain what the lock icon means on your Android messages. So make it sure to watch this until the end because this little icon actually means something important for your privacy. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so what is the lock icon in Android messages? The lock icon in your messages means that the chat is end-to-end encrypted. Alright, so in simple words, this means your message is private and secured. Only you and the person you are texting can read it. Not your phone company, not Google, not anyone else. Alright, so when does the lock icon appear? When both you and the other person must be using Google Messages. Both must have chat features, RCS turned on. You need to be connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data. So if all this is active, you will see the lock icon next to your message. What if there is no lock icon? If you don't see the lock icon, it means your chat is using regular SMS or MMS, which is not encrypted. So that's it. Now you know what the lock icon means on your Android messages. It's a sign that your conversation is safe and private. Thanks for watching and see you next time.